to the Workday Benefits presentation about Open Enrollment. My name is Anthony Castan, and I'm lead HCM consultant for TietoEVRY. Also called annual enrollment, the open enrollment process is a period of time that workers are able to make changes to certain benefit elections, like for example healthcare plans, insurances, or additional benefit plans. The concept itself is specific to US benefits regulation, but it can be used to support other benefit requirements as needed, as for example meal vouchers, yearly gym card, car benefits, and so on. It is also used in case of major change in the benefit programs. Companies may wish to have active open enrollment where employees can make new elections to current benefit plans and also new benefit plans. How is the open enrollment processed in Workday? This is a three-step process. The first step is to initiate the open enrollment. Initiating open enrollment creates benefits events for workers who are part of the benefit groups being processed. We can initiate open enrollment for multiple benefit groups at the same time. The best practice is to have open enrollment for multiple groups instead of one group at a time, in order to improve the performance. During this period of time, employees can change and submit their elections. The second step is to close the open enrollment. Until open enrollment is closed, workers can make changes and resubmit their election as many times as they wish. Generally, organizations allow workers to make changes around 2 to 4 weeks. When this time period is over, open enrollment should close, which makes open enrollment events no longer available for workers. At last, the final step is to finalize the open enrollment. Until open enrollment is finalized, benefit partners and admins, but not the workers, can make changes to elections. Organizations often use this period of time to run audits and confirm enrollment counts and make any needed changes. Once admin work is done, open enrollment can be finalized. The process commits the benefit election to the system, and the new enrollments and deduction amounts are available for integration and payrolls. If changes need to be made after the open enrollment is finalized, the benefit event has to be corrected. Let's have a quick demo. I'm connected as Logan McNeil with Benefit Administrator in our GMS. I look for the task Initiate Open Enrollment. I select which benefit group will be included in the process. Select the event type. Each event type is including an enrollment event type, as you can see here. When you create a benefit plan, you attach it to a coverage type. This type is one of the links between the benefit plans and the enrollment, telling to Workday which plan to include in the enrollment event. Select a date to open, and select an event date where the change will be effective. You can select OK. Once this is done, Workday is now initiating the open enrollment. You need to refresh as long as the process is completed. Once the process is completed, workers should have now tasks in their inbox to make changes to their current elections. Let's proxy as Anthony Rizzo. you can see the task in the inbox for the open enrollment. You can see here the current enrollment and also the possible plan where the worker is eligible for. So if I decide to enroll for the legal assistance, I click Enroll and I select. And save. I can also edit my medical benefit plan . Once this is okay, the employee can review and sign. If I know, connect as a Logan McNeil with Benefit Administrator. I will look for the task Open Enrollment Status Report. We can see here in our current Open Enrollment event that one worker has submitted their enrollment. The second step of the process is to close the Open Enrollment. Workday is now closing the Open Enrollment for the workers. It means that the worker will not have the task in the inbox to make changes to their benefit election, but benefit partner and benefit admin can make changes. At last, the final step is to finalize the Open Enrollment. This completes our demo. Thank you for listening.